Hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about, is affiliate marketing legit? Does it work? Is it oversaturated? Is it too late to start? And what is affiliate marketing? So if you are new to the channel and you like videos on affiliate marketing, mindset, reviews of products, letting you know my opinions on how you can make some money, then you're gonna wanna drop a like if there's value, right? Drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want to see ways to make money online. All right, let's get into the video. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, to put it simply, affiliate marketing is a great business model and way to make money online that you need zero money to start. You could literally start today, and all it simply is referring one person to a company or a product, and they purchase, and you therefore then get a commission off of that purchase. Now there are thousands of affiliate programs, Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, one of the biggest ones in the world, ClickBank, and Digistore, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, just to name a few. But there are literally affiliate programs for every single thing that you could think of. You just gotta find them. So, is it too late to start? It's really not too late to start. There are several different ways to do this and do this effectively and to grow. If you want to start, you need to take action. You need to do it now. Don't wait until it's too late. Alright? You're going to want to start right now. It's not going to be too late. People have been doing affiliate marketing for over 100 years, just in different ways, right? Affiliate marketing is really a great place to start if you have zero money, you don't have a job, and you want to get out of that job if you have a job. So you want to, I would start with free methods of affiliate marketing. So making blog posts on Medium and other blogging networks like that. You can start a Google Sites.com website and for free, and what that will do, Google actually likes to rank their websites higher in the search because you're using their product, and so they tend to index it faster, get it up there, as long as you use search engine optimization, better yet known as SEO. Alright, so you should definitely start today. And before I go any further, if you want to know my number one way to make money online, go ahead and click that first link in the description box below. It's going to take you to a training, and these guys are not only going to train you, but if you decide to work with them, they're going to help you get your first sale. They're going to get you your first sale, which it's all legit and worth it and great, and I suggest everybody do this if you want to escape the rat race, because nobody likes their 9 to 5. Alright, so it's not saturated like you would think. Yes, everybody and their mother seems to be doing it, but that's alright, because people aren't going to be doing it if they're not making money. Alright, so you need to start a website, make YouTube videos on products and stuff, and review them, and eventually it's going to take time. That's the thing, it's going to take time, but at the end of the day, it's worth it. So you need to get a plan in place, and the number one thing is you want to take action. People fail because they don't take action. You can, for free traffic methods, you can literally Facebook groups, comment on blogs. So make YouTube videos, comment on blogs, join Facebook groups, and don't spam your link. You never want to spam, so don't spam your link, but entice people to want to know more. And in the next few days, I'll be doing some trainings on how to utilize these free training methods. There's Reddit. There's literally free landing page builders, and I'll also leave a link to a tool that you need to get started to that's really going to make your life easier. It's going to help you with pretty much having a website, a sales funnel page, so you can start email marketing. And we'll talk about all this in trainings to come. So go ahead, take massive action, because if you don't take action, you're never going to get out of that rat race and slump, and you're always going to be struggling and thinking this is a scam. It's not a scam. Alright, just take action, believe in yourself, and do this. And affiliate marketing, it changes so many lives. Every single day, people wake up to sales. It's a system where we set it up once and watch the income roll in. Now it may take a little bit of time from that initial setup, but it's worth it. It's worth it. Alright, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did if you learned something, comment below, tell me what you learned, and share this video, and be sure to click those links in the description. I will get a small commission if you do purchase. You don't have to. The free training is more than enough, believe me. Alright.